Hey, welcome back. This is the second part of Introduction to Excel. Now I want us to launch Excel. We have known the uses of Excel, various uses, and we were happy at that point. So when you get to your laptop or desktop, you now want to start or launch your Excel. What do? So from here, you go to search. If you have, that is Office application. If you don't know, you can get that from the cybers near you. You get the Office applications. You type Excel. Okay, when I type Excel, it gives me Excel app 2016. I can open from here. Okay, let's see. Excel Office. Yeah, when I open the Excel, it gives me the recent files that I've opened in Excel. I have opened Excel pivot table for trainees. I have Excel pivot table and so on. These are the recent files that I opened. From here, I also have nutrition tracker. These are what the office is giving you so that you may use this spreadsheet that they have already created. But now I want to open a blank workbook so that I start working on Excel. When you click it, you have, if you have document recovery here, you can close. And I want to review these recoveries later. Maybe these are some of my documents that I didn't save well, or anything that has been changed due to my computer turning off or whatever reason. So I'm gonna check this when I next open my Excel. Okay, so now you are in Excel. How does it look? Look great. Okay, I want us to know some terms, that is workbook, worksheet, cells, ranges of cells, columns, rows, sheets. Okay, those are what I want to. Of course, you have seen some of the things that I've mentioned. So just to say, this is the ribbon. The whole of this that you are seeing up here is the Excel ribbon. And under ribbon, sorry, we have tabs. We have file tab. Okay, we have home tab, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer, and so on. These are the tabs that we are going to use throughout our training. Again, this is Excel book 1. What does workbook mean? Excel is like your exercise book. Okay, you have books, and then in books you have sheets. Okay, sheet, this is, you can see from here, this is sheet 1. So let's see how we are going to go to sheet 1. If you want to go to sheet 2, this is sheet 1, this is your book 1. So you have this book. Okay, you can type everything you want here. Then if you click here, you are going to have sheet 2. So this is your sheet 2, this is your sheet 1, and this is your Excel book 1. You are yet to save your Excel. Okay, that is book, and this is your sheet. So if you want to maybe create another book from here, you just click anywhere and say Control N. Okay, this is book 2. Now let me just go back to my book 1. From here I go to book 1. See, that is the book 2 I've created. This is my book 1. Okay, then from in cells we have in workbook we have sheets. In sheets we have rows. Okay, these are the rows, and we have columns. These are the columns. Are we together? And under these rows and columns, of course, we have cells, right? This is what we call cells. So when I click here, I get the name of this cell as B2 from here. You see here, this one is B2. It is this B, which is the column number or the column name, then 2 is the row number. So when I put it here, it will be D3. Okay, those are the cells name. And if I select, this is now the range of the cells. I've selected from D3 to D11. This is what? This is now the selection or range of cells. Then we have the columns here, and we can do many things with this column. We can hide column. Let's say I want to hide this column. I right click and say hide. So I is not there. We have H and then J. If you want to unhide, you select those and say unhide. Our I column is there. We again can delete and do many changes on our columns, as same with our rows. Let me just introduce something else, that we have sheets. We have known how to create a new sheet. Now let me show you how to rename your sheet. If you want to rename this sheet, you can just double click from here. Okay, double click here, or again you can right click on your sheet, right click and say rename. Let's say call this sheet CRC1 and click outside your naming. We have CRC1. We can maybe rename this one as CRC2. So that is your assignment. Have it as CRC2. So in our next class, we keep on discussing the changes that we can make to this spreadsheet. I'm going to discuss Excel version, that how to check Excel version, and also quick access toolbar and how to change them. Thank you and enjoy learning.